What's up, guys? I want to show you guys exactly what you'll be getting if you get the LED lighting group on your Jeep Wrangler. It's about $1,000 upgrade, $900 some odd dollars. Well worth it though. Extremely bright. Got your lights here. Whoa. Super bright fog lights there, guys. Well worth the money though, like I said. Don't go with that aftermarket HID stuff. These things are bright white too, by the way. There's no yellow to them at all. Coming around to the back, you also get the LED tail lights, along with this sweet looking license plate light. That's pure white. No yellow tint whatsoever, guys. Well worth the money, like I said. You get flashed by people a lot because they think your brights are on, but these are just your regular lights. Cannot go wrong with them. I highly recommend getting them. It's worth the extra money, that's for sure. As always, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you all have a great night. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment on what videos you want to see. I'll be more than happy to post some stuff for you guys. Thanks again, guys. Bye.